Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Cake Wallet application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. If your Cake Wallet application is not working as it is supposed to, then this is probably because you have not installed the latest updates for the app. So in order to fix this, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then simply tap on the search box and search for Cake Wallet. Once you find the application, if you see an update button, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Just wait for a while until the updates are installed, and when it is completed, you will see the open button once again. When you see it, you can tap on it and this will open up the Cake Wallet application and you can continue using the app to trade with cryptocurrencies. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the Cake Wallet application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.